Hello friends, my name is Himanshu. In this video, we'll be continuing with the XPath series. Like earlier in the earlier videos, we have covered that what is XPath and different kinds of XPath techniques, and in how many ways we can find the XPaths. So, like right now, we are like in the last video, I think we have shown that how we can like write the simple XPaths. But now, like we'll be covering that the what is the syntax of writing the XPaths, and we'll like take a glimpse of that what is dynamic XPaths as well. So basic syntax, like suppose what is the basic syntax of writing an XPath? So there can be like so two kind of XPaths are available. So one in which the tag, like you can say that attribute name is it itself present inside the tag, and with the value itself. So like you can say in the first instance, like that with what we can write double slash for that relative XPath, then tag name, and at the rate attribute, and with the value. So it is a like simple general way of writing XPaths. So this kind of XPath can be written for ID, name, class, and title. But sometimes what we can see that if no ID, name, class or something is present, but only a visible text is present. So in that case, what we can do, like as that tag visible text is not an attribute inside that tag name, so what we can do, instead of at the attribute, so what we can write only attribute, and we can remove that at the rate. So and the rest of the value will remain same. So this is the like kind of XPaths technique. So I will show you some of the techniques. Uh, so in the later video, I will show you. So and now, what is like dynamic XPaths? So what is dynamic XPath? So like as of now, what we have covered, that is static XPaths. So in which the value of that attribute doesn't change over time or over every interaction with that element. But generally speaking, so these kind of XPaths the uh, so will not work for every situation. What we can do, like suppose if the element, if the website or you can say web page is very dynamic in place. Suppose some dynamic elements are also present inside it. In that case, like ID or class or something like tag name, it changes every after some time. So this kind of technique is dynamic experts. In that case, uh, first of all, browser expert cannot be used with the dynamic experts, because if I am taking the browser expert, then that value will get changed every time, and then my expert will not work in that case. So for using this kind of XPath, we have to use like our own XPath, um, mm, that is dynamic XPath, and custom XPath we need to use. And XPath, like there are different methods available in the XPath, that is contains, starts with, and ends with. So we need to use these kind of methods available for XPath. uh, and like the syntax will can be like double slash tag, and then starts with the attribute name with the value. So attribute here can be like ID, name, you can say class, or any kind of attribute which are present in the tag. So starts with is like suppose if ID, suppose if the part of the dynamic element is at the end part of the value, but in the starting phase of the element is like it is unique for every time, and it doesn't change. Suppose you can say ID 1234. If that is so, 1234 keeps on changing, but ID part remains same. So we can write starts with attribute ID, then values ID. That can be the things. And the second part is contains. So contains means uh, that in any part of the value, that will remain same, but the other value keeps on changing. So we will be using that contains in the attribute name and the value name, which keeps on which keeps which which does not change. So this value we need to change. And the same way which we'll use ends with. So in that case, in ends with, like if the initial part of the part of the value keeps on changing, but and part will remain same, in this case we can use x parts. So friends, so like sorry for the background noise, as work from home. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I will be posting more videos. I'll be posting more videos in it. So if you like this video, please click on subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching this video.